sets, healthy life, and happy family. I like the sprinkle of happiness and emotions in there for sure. All right, cool. So as we keep on going, feel free to keep on participating in the chat. Unmute yourself. I won't think you're rude if you try to cut me off and teach me something or ask a question. All that's good. So I want to start off with the mental. All right, we're going to get into some for sure like tactical steps that y'all can be taking, but the wealthy mindset is kind of the first thing you need to make sure you commit to on this long road of legacy wealth, of generational wealth, and being able to make sure you pass down the wealth mindset to your kids as soon as they're born. So they already start off better than we started because their mindset is there, right? So this is an affirmation. If we can have somebody, volunteer after I maybe go through it, feel free. You can volunteer and fill in the blanks for these affirmations yourself. But when I am wealthy, I am happy. I am stress-free. I am my best self, right? Whatever it means to you. When I'm wealthy, I am fill in the blank. When I am wealthy, I feel stress-free. I feel energetic. I feel godly. I feel like a superhero, whatever it is for you. How do you feel when you are wealthy? When I'm wealthy, I'm able to do what I want. I'm able to travel around the world when I want to. I'm able to afford organic and healthy food to fuel my body to be its best self, right? Wealth is important to me because growing up, I didn't have it. Wealth is important to me because I want to make sure my kids have everything they need to be successful and more, right? Why is wealth actually important to you? What is your why? To achieve wealth, I'm willing to miss out on social events that are purely social. To achieve wealth, I'm willing to fast every day for breakfast, so I save that $7 per day. To achieve wealth, I'm willing to go ahead and fill in the blank and say what you're willing to do in order to achieve that wealth. To achieve wealth, I am not, very equally important to set your boundaries, y'all. I am not willing to exploit my body or the body of loved ones. I am not willing to sell out the culture or sell out my own personal values. And that line will be tested, y'all. As you trying to pursue wealth, as people put money inside your pockets or try to put money, try to put partnerships, that line will for sure be tested. So you want to draw that line firmly in the concrete on your journey. Then lastly, when I earn X amount of dollars per month, I will be wealthy. When I earn $10,000 per month, $40,000 per month, $1 million per month, whatever. I'm not trying to limit your goals and your dreams, whatever that number is for you, you go ahead and put that in there. All right. Now, do we have a volunteer that would like to say their wealth affirmations?
I'll say it.
There we go. Appreciate you.
When I am wealthy, I am content. When I am wealthy, I feel amazing. When I am wealthy, I am able to do whatever I want.
Yep.
Wealth is important to me because I never really had it when I was growing up. Didn't have all the things that I wanted to. To achieve wealth, I'm willing to do the unimaginable. To achieve wealth, I'm not able to slave. When I earn, at minimum, $4,000 a month, I will be wealthy.
Let's give it up for Brother Tremaine. There we go. Appreciate the courage. Appreciate the vision too. There it is. Before you completely mute yourself again, how did that feel? Did it feel awkward? Did it feel okay? Powerful? How that feel for you?
I felt very poetic.
Poetic. Okay. I see you. Nice. All right. So if there's any other volunteers, and throughout this thing, there'll be more opportunities to volunteer. Feel free to jump at it. Before we continue, anyone else feeling excited to do this? Anyone else want to be poetic for a second? Go ahead, Yusuf.
So when I'm wealthy, I'm powerful. When I'm wealthy, I feel accomplished. When I'm wealthy, I'm able to just one thing.
However many you want.
I'm able to travel and afford everything I want.
Mm.
Wealth is important to me because I would like to like continue. I would like to give my children, pass it down to my children.
Mm.
To achieve wealth, I'm willing to sacrifice all my time towards it. To achieve wealth, I'm not willing to I'm not willing to drop my friends or my family.
Mm.
Yeah, when I earn like like 2,000 a week. Oh wait, per month. Okay, when I earn like maybe like 8,000 per month, I will be wealthy.
There it is. Let's give it up for brother Yusuf. Yes, sir. Oh, don't mute yourself yet. You know I gotta ask the follow-up question. Yeah, I saw you going for it. All right, how did that feel? Honest opinion. Did it feel awkward? Did it feel powerful? Did it feel poetic?
Um, it felt like I can actually do these things.
Mm.
You know what I mean? It's doable.
Love that. Love that. Yeah, words are powerful, y'all. So I put in a document that has these as well in it and a lot of other activities. Highly encourage you to go ahead and write your affirmations in or type your affirmations in, say them out loud, because the more you say, that things are going to happen, the more the universe and other realities will actually make it happen. Law of attraction.